Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you all how I installed this V-part straight wig from Asteria Hair. This is their 22-inch V-part straight wig. It is 180% density and I'm loving it. I'm the type of person who, when I'm wearing a wig, I want it to look natural. And this wig is coming across very, very natural. I attempted to do a little bit of crimps in this hair. I did my best. I had to use a flat iron because I don't own an actual crimping hair like hot tool. But I think I did an okay job. It is falling a little bit. I didn't use any hairspray or anything to help hold it. But I think it still looks cute. Let me know what you think. Before we hop into this install, I do want to share with you all everything that I got along with this wig. They sent me some lashes, an edge brush and comb, a headband to help lay your wig. They sent me wig caps as well as a little dust bag for the wig to go into. Alright, so we are going to start putting this wig on. I have to start by cutting this little snippet here. That way it can be an actual V part. So this wig actually feels very snug on my head, which is a good thing, as I've noticed with a lot of the V parts I've been trying out lately. They're a little too big for my head. This one is like snug and it feels flat, so that's a plus. Like, it's not going anywhere. Let me start by flat ironing the bumps out of this wig. I want to, I think, keep it bone straight. I think that's what I want to do, but we'll see.
So I didn't keep it bone straight. I decided that I wanted to do a more crimpy look. So like I said at the beginning of the video, I don't own a crimping hot tool. So I remembered seeing on YouTube a while ago that you can create the illusion or the crimp look using a flat iron. So I started out by trying to do the crimps off memory from videos I've seen a long time ago. You can probably see in my face that I'm frustrated because it just wasn't coming out. Like, it wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. I figured I was going down the length of the hair too quick, so I tried to slow that down. I wasn't sure if it was the flick of my wrist. I wasn't sure, y'all, but I was feeling a little defeated because I was like, this is the look that I want to do and I've already committed to it. But with this one, yeah, I was satisfied. I went a lot slower and I put some more space in between the flicks that I'm doing with the flat iron, and that last one was cute. So I just kept that up. I still wasn't a fan of how it was turning out, but it was turning out better than when I started. So I just kept doing what I was doing. But with for this hair to be a straight texture, it holds a curl or manipulation quite well without hairspray and all that.
There's that side, but I feel like it doesn't look like anything. I don't know. Does it look like I crimped it? So I was watching more TikToks and I saw that I need to exaggerate the flip. It's hurting my wrist, but it is coming out. I'm able to do it a little faster when I exaggerate the flip. Yeah, I got way better hang of it. This hurts my wrist though, for real. Okay. Okay, we got some crimps with the flat iron or whatever. I'm gonna go in, touch up these crimps, and then we'll come back for my middle part. Okay, now that I got the hang of it, let me touch it up and make it more crimpy. So be right back. All right, I'm satisfied with what this looks like. I don't want to touch it, mess it up. So it is time to do my leave out, which I'm nervous about because y'all know I'm on this little hair journey thing and I just don't want to damage my hair. And I just feel like that little crimpy thing, I don't know, it makes me nervous. I'll do one pass of the flat iron and then one pass of the crimp. I'm scared, but here we go. Alright, so here is the final look. This is by far my favorite V-part wig that I have ever tried. I love the texture of it. It's very soft and I love the construction of the cap itself. And I love that it fits my head. So if you are interested in this wig, I will have all of the details down below in the description as well as a direct link to this specific wig. This is where I'm going to end this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Please take care of yourselves, be kind to yourselves, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.